This is Fred Neiman of Hanlon Neiman, municipal court attorneys practicing municipal court law in all 21 counties of the state of New Jersey. In those instances when I appear in the municipal court, it's really impressive to me and somewhat fascinating to watch the goings-on. Virtually the entire courtroom is packed with individuals of all ages, races, and backgrounds who are assembled for some reason for something they are alleged to have done. It's probably the single most grassroots system of justice that people will experience in their lifetime. Most people never go to adult criminal court. Most people never go to court. But most people have gone at some point in their life to one of New Jersey's municipal courts. And there is where Hanlon Neiman can help you if you are charged with a number of offenses that can only be heard in the municipal courts of the state of New Jersey. If you're young, perhaps you've been arrested for speeding or another type of motor vehicle violation, including careless driving or reckless driving. Perhaps you had traffic tickets issued for unsafe operation of a vehicle or expired registration or driving while on the revoked list. Maybe you've been cited for disorderly conduct, for lewd or offensive behavior, or criminal mischief alleged to have destroyed someone else's property, either purposely or recklessly. Many people are brought to municipal court for charges of shoplifting or theft, and oftentimes the courts are full of dockets involving drug offenses, either possession of narcotics under a certain minimum amount or drug paraphernalia. Finally, if you've been involved in an assault, perhaps a simple assault, or you've been charged with aggravated assault, your case will be heard in municipal court. Drunk driving and driving under the influence is oftentimes the single biggest category of offenses in the municipal court. And the reason I cite each of these to you is because a conviction in municipal court can involve significant economic as well as privilege losses. By privilege losses, I mean loss of driver's license, loss of your freedom, jail time, incredibly punitive fines and penalties that this state legislature has imposed on us as a means of increasing revenue. It's outrageous and offensive when someone is speeding and charged with speeding and pleads the hundreds of dollars that they are surcharged by way of tickets, and then have their insurance premiums and other charges to the state imposed by a municipal court judge. Unlike other courts in the state, the municipal courts are controlled by a single judge. The judge decides your innocence or guilt and also imposes the sentence that he or she thinks is appropriate to you. Don't assume that municipal court means you don't need to be represented. Many times you do need to be represented, and that's where Hanlon Neiman comes in. Call and speak to one of our experienced municipal court attorneys today. It's our privilege to work with us. You can reach me to set up a confidential, non-judgmental meeting at fneiman, N-I-E-M-A-N-N, at hnlawfirm.com. Or you can call us toll-free at the phone number that appears on your screen. Either way, I look forward to meeting you. And again, do not take municipal court lightly. The consequences to you can be significant and long-lasting.